You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, let's learn how to pronounce this word from science and also originally from Latin. Yes, there is a video online that says it should be pronounced ovum, ovum, with a vum sound, which probably is kind of correct if you want to emphasize on the Latin origin of the word. In Latin it would be ovum, because the V is pronounced like a U in Latin. Now in English the pronunciation is generally accepted as ovum, with a schwa sound, a V sound, not a VU sound, ovum. I mean, you could say ovum, that's fine, but in English, ovum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.